Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom background to your feed post when you are sharing that on Instagram story. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and you need to open your profile. So here is the post. So you simply need to take a screenshot of that post first and make sure that you simply crop that image. So I already done that. So first step you simply need to do is to take a screenshot. So once you take a screenshot, you simply need to go into your gallery to and you need to crop that. So let me crop that first. Once it is done, you simply need to click on the save. Okay. And then you need to click on this share icon and click on add to story. And you need to make that a little smaller first by pinching with the help of two fingers. Then you need to click on this icon in the top. Click on that, and from here you need to select picture from your gallery. Click here, select the picture, and you need to make it bigger. First move that in the bottom and make that bigger like this. And you need to drag that, and after that you need to add this image onto the top like this. So first you need to reposition this and then you need to add that. So I not take your time much and show you the step that you can use. First you make it up bigger, and then you need to add the photo, this one, like this, and after that you can add that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.